All right, guys, when you're getting the wax off of your apples, don't leave it in the water for more than 10 to 15 seconds. Next, go ahead and get the ingredients for my free online apple course that is on my Creative Touch website. And to get that bold color, you want to add white food coloring to your mix. And if it doesn't spread naturally, just go ahead and use a spatula and swerve it around evenly. And then next, you want to get your favorite color on a stick. I choose because it's easier for me to blend. Just go ahead and rub it all in there and mix it together. If it's too light, just keep adding a color. If it's just right, just leave the color, and you want to go ahead and use your spatula. Then you want to make sure your thermometer is hitting the 300 mark and is slowly cooking. That's for the hard candy shell. If you want to add glitter, go ahead and add glitter. You don't have to add glitter. And from there, you want to take your pot off of the stove. Be careful because it will burn you. And you're just going to go in the rotation mode, rotating the apple and getting all sides. Make sure you get every single side and try to release all the bubbles. If you want more on how to do your candy apples, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And also, I have a free apple course that you can take.